Breaking news, May 27, 2026, NorthFlow Finance AI just flagged two explosive TSX stock signals. Let's dive in and explore these bullish opportunities together, right now. We're taking a closer look at Metalla Royalty and Streaming, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange as MTA.V. This stock has just triggered a very interesting signal, a moving average golden cross, accompanied by a significant volume surge. This is a technical indicator that suggests a potential trend reversal, and it's definitely caught our attention. The golden cross signal is particularly noteworthy, as it indicates that the short-term moving average has crossed above the long-term moving average, suggesting a shift in momentum. The current price of $10.09 is looking quite strong, and the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is sitting at 55.8, which puts it firmly in neutral territory. This suggests that the stock is not overbought or oversold, and there's still room for momentum to build. The volume surge of 155.9% is also a key indicator of investor conviction, as it shows that traders are taking notice of this stock and are willing to put their money behind it. This volume change is quite unusual, and it may signal that institutional investors are starting to take a closer look at Metalla. The fact that volume has surged so significantly suggests that there's a lot of interest in this stock, and it could be a sign of things to come. Metalla recently reported a profitable quarter, with higher revenue in the first quarter, although the stock did dip slightly after hours. This news is certainly connected to the stock signal, as it suggests that the company is on a solid financial footing. The fact that the stock is still looking strong despite this dip is a good sign. Viewers should watch for continued momentum and a potential test of key resistance levels. A break above these levels could signal a significant trend reversal, so it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're taking a look at BEI-UN.TO, a stock that's caught our attention with a MACD bullish crossover, accompanied by a significant volume surge. This signal suggests a potential shift in momentum, and we're excited to dive deeper into the details. The current price of $64.65 is certainly worth exploring further. The MACD bullish crossover is a strong indicator of a potential trend reversal, and when combined with a volume surge of 64.6%, it's clear that investors are taking notice. The RSI, currently at 43.6, is in neutral territory, which suggests that there's still room for momentum to build. This isn't a case of the stock being overbought or oversold, but rather, it's poised for a potential move upwards. The volume surge is a key indicator of investor conviction, and it tells us that there's a significant amount of interest in this stock right now. With the RSI in neutral territory, we could see a continued push upwards. The volume change we're seeing is unusual activity, and it might signal that institutional investors are starting to take notice of this stock. A surge of this magnitude can be a sign of a larger trend emerging. Recent earnings news from Boardwalk Real Estate has likely contributed to the increased interest in this stock, as investors look for opportunities in the real estate sector. The company's first quarter earnings snapshot has likely given investors a reason to be optimistic about the stock's potential. Viewers should watch for a continued push upwards, with key levels to watch being the stock's previous resistance points. A break above these levels could signal a significant move upwards. That wraps up our final pick for today. Don't forget to subscribe for daily TSX signals. Thanks for watching NorthFlow Finance. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, this is not financial advice.